Hey guys, it's Glenn. This is for my school group. If you're on my YouTube and you want to get into my school group, I'll put a link below. This is a landing page I'm making for everybody, and I'm trying it. I'm going to do a different method on this one. I'm going to show you like a basically 3-part landing page. So it'll be what was it? 2 parts, 3 parts. Anyway, if you're on my YouTube channel, hit subscribe. If you want to get into my school, like I said, click the link below. Okay, so this is for Master Affiliate Profits. It's also known as MAP. So this is going to be the landing page. How do you get this? Let me show you. You know what? I got to go let the dog out. So just... Okay, so this funnel is composed of 3 pages. We've got our squeeze page, which is where we collect our email. We've got our, I put in a delivery page, and I'll show you that. And then we've got our setup instructions here. So first thing you're going to want to do before anything, you want to go up to your CRM, and you want to add a tag. And just create a tag called map. So click on the blue button, create a tag, map, right? Create, give it a name. Next, we want to go over and next we need to import the campaign. So we have a tag and a campaign. So let's go back to the page that you guys are going to have here. Setup instructions. So view the funnel step. So on here, don't worry about this video, guys. It'll be changed out. This was just a duplicate. So right here are the instructions. So you want to click on here to import your map email series. I've already made it for you. So when you click that, make sure you have a Systeme.io account. If you don't have one, click here. And then click here to import your email series. So then we go back over here. We go to emails, campaigns, and you should have it here, okay? And it's called map. And then these are your emails. Go in, make sure that you change this to your map account. That's going to be your map affiliate link, okay? This here is going to be from the delivery page. This is if you're doing email. This might be a little bit confusing, but don't worry about it. We're gonna put links here, okay? Don't worry about that. And then so that you want to make sure that, but this is the most important part. That needs to be your affiliate link. Okay, so we've got our tag and we've got our campaign. So this page it's a little bit confusing. This is why I'm just show you the mechanics. All right. So first off, you've got map. You've got your system account, right? Put your email series in there. Maybe I should change these 2 steps. And then you import your funnel, and this is going to be, your funnels will be here, sales funnels. Here it is now. Now, on this page here, first we'll start with the squeeze page. On the squeeze page, you need to put your image there. I made it so you guys can put your actual image or product, whatever you want to put there. So you can basically do whatever you want. Now, you have a choice. You can send them, once you collect their email, you can send them to the delivery page, right? Or you can send them directly to map. If you don't want to do email, if you don't want to do an email campaign, or you just don't want to do that delivery page, you could put your affiliate link for map right there and it would send them to them. But if you want to do a delivery page, and I'll show you what the delivery page looks like. So this is the delivery page. So when they put their email in, they would go here. Thank you, please access your freebies and bonus. So now on this page, it takes them to map. On this page, it takes them to the setup page, right? The quick start setup page. And I also made this bonus for you guys to give away. It takes them to this affiliate marketing checklist, which is just an extra bonus. And you can put a Namecheap right in there. You can put, I'll give you access in the school group. I'll give you access to the Google Doc, and you're able to put your Namecheap affiliate link right there. So when they go buy a domain, you can also put your system link right there in it. So this has a couple affiliate links in it. So, and if you want to make your own school group, or you can delete that, but I'll give you the source file for this, and then you just save it out of Google as a PDF. Okay. So that's the delivery page. If you want to use the delivery page, right? So how does the funnel work? They come to the squeeze page, they put in their email, you either send them to the delivery page or you send them right to map. The setup instructions, where do we have here? There's the delivery page. Okay. You just need to make sure that when you're on this page, right, you want to remove anything that's not relevant to you. So this here, this will take them to map. This is my school group. This is my group. You can delete that if you want, unless you want your own. This will be your affiliate link here. This will be your system affiliate link. You can leave the funnel and you can leave the email series, because that's not going to, they're not going to get accredited to me because they used your Systeme.io affiliate account. You want to put your name cheap here, and you've got instructions connecting the domain to system. Okay. Any of these things down here, guys, change them out. Put whatever you want down here. These are my links for some ClickFunnels stuff, but you don't have to have that stuff. This will be changed out. I'll change this button out. How I'm gonna, let's do that right now so you guys can see how it's done. So setup page instructions. We're gonna edit the page. Again, this video will be the video I'm making right now will be here. So they'll have the instructions to do this. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a copy of this because it's already set up. It's got a link to my maps or my map. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm just gonna drag it down. Come on. Yeah, the system doesn't always drag that great. Keep going. Just kind of move it down. I'm going to put it right on top of this one. Right there. And then I'm just going to delete this one. Okay. So now I just moved it down there for the button. So that's pretty much it, guys. So it's really simple. Just go in and make sure your links are changed. Now, remember what I said about that email. Say the changes here. We want to, in that first email, we want to give them what we promised. So the setup instructions, we want to copy this link, go into the campaign, go to map, go to the first email, and the quick start guide. We're just going to link that right there. All right. Now the PDF. Oh, why didn't that make a nice pretty... Hey guys, if it never makes a link for you, here's a little hack for you. Let's see if I can remember the colors. I think it's EEEE00. Is that right? E00. Come on. No. Maybe it's A. Oh, what is it doing here? Clear. Undo. It shouldn't be it keeps trying to adjust the text. That's not the one. What is? Anyways, I can't remember what the blue is. You should be able to just use like something like that. Apply. All right. Now for this one, free affiliate marketing checklist, you can have it uploaded to your system. So in here, or you can use the one that I have, because I mean, you want to actually, no, you want to use yours. So we want to save that. We want to save it, exit, go back to sales funnel and map on the delivery page. And this is where you want to get your link. And this is where for this bonus, when you create the document out of Google, you're going to upload it, right? Select the file, and you're going to upload that PDF that you downloaded from Google. Okay. I've already got it up here. So it's right here. It's already in there. So I just want to I want to grab this link. And I want to go back to the campaign, go to map. And guys, you want to make sure you double check this. And then I'm going to put that right here. I want to add a link. There. And then I want to save this. Okay, I want to just test those links. So if I click on the guide, it takes me to the guide, right? And if I want to, oh, there's a typo. Oh, look at that, guys. It's got a little thing at the end of it. Oh, look at it's not the full domain address. Okay, so this is good. We're problem shooting. So let's click this one. And now you see this full domain, the full thing. Copy that. Let's go back to our email, adjust our link, close this. Now we can test it. And there it is, PDF. All right, so just make sure you test your links. This one we're gonna make blue too, so just go like this. What color is this? Copy, make this the same color. Apply. Oh, why did it do that? Okay, so you can see that systems editing, when you're trying to color something, why is it changing it to that? Clear. Oh, whatever. It did. Now it's a different color. There you go. There's always a ghost in the machine. All right, so I might have put this in the second email. So we want to just copy those two, because you're going to be editing all your, save this. No, stop. It's funny that, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but with a lot of websites, they become more sort of AI responsive, thinking of stuff you want to do, and sometimes it gets in the way. Okay, see it's here, so we'll just paste that there. Save. Exit. Let's see if we put it in the third one. And remember, you're going to go through here. No, it's not in the third one. And check the fourth one. Nope, not in the fourth one. Check the fifth one. And these go out 2 days apart, guys. So they'll be the first day, and then it'll wait 2 days before it sends it out. There. All right. So we've got that all done. So hopefully that all makes sense. If you have any questions, or I haven't basically filled you in, I've got if I've confused you, then definitely message me. If you're in my school group, you've got access to me. But yeah, go promote MAP. This is a great newbie product. If you're not a member of MAP, then click the link. I'll put a link below on YouTube here. And if you're in my school group, of course, you probably already are a member of MAP. Now, here's the caveat. I'm a platinum member there, guys. So I get a ton of commissions. I get second tier commissions. Freebies, free members get limited commissions. The bigger package you buy, you get way more training and you get bigger commissions. So you earn more if you buy more. That's why I went in as a platinum member there. So I think there's like silver, gold, and platinum kind of thing. And yeah, just go promote it. Because what's great is that you put people in there for free and then they upgrade, which is really, really cool. All right, guys, that's it. Again, this has been, well, I'm not doing a review. So this is just a training for you guys. And if you're on my YouTube, hit subscribe. If you're in my school group, message me and I can answer the questions. And in the school group, you'll get the document that you can edit for that PDF. All right, guys, see you on the next one.